Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another video. Now guys, in this video I'm gonna address some stuff and also a life update. So and please just watch the video to the end guys. If I have 3 minutes, just watch it for 3 minutes guys. 3 minutes. Please. And wanna watch it, just watch the full video because I'm not gonna hear some really interesting stuff, so now just watch the full video. Yeah guys. Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make them, it's clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be. Alright guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you see in the title, life update, and so I'm gonna just talk about some stuff. Yeah, so watch the video to the end. And me don't know something wrong with me YouTube, like me don't know, my YouTube I give me trouble. Like it's giving me problem with the views count. It's giving me problem with the subscribers. It just like give me a problem. So me never know what to do again. Trust me. But me I go and work with it still. Probably just YouTube I try sort out them stuff, or them I do some work on some channel, or Yeah, but anyways guys, this camera that I'm using now, I'm gonna stop use this camera. I'm gonna start use a regular like camera. My videos them. I'm not gonna use no phone camera anymore because actually this one is a Samsung J2. Yep, so that's about to change. Yeah, that's about to change, and well it more things I got change, and me just want give me just a try if make have a good quality views. Like when I watch the video them, it clean and everything. It clean now, but I'm just saying, I'm just referring. And guys, I want to run go over my Instagram, I want to go over there, go subscribe. You about subscribe, want to go over there, go follow my Instagram and my TikTok. That I go there definitely. But that I go pop up on the screen. So guys, want to go over there and follow me on Instagram and follow my TikTok. Yeah guys, and what else? Next thing too. Um may I think about to change my channel name, or change my Instagram name. I just want, and my TikTok name. I want have like one name I work with for the three media. Like one name for TikTok, same name for Instagram, same name for YouTube. I don't want have like three different names all over the place. I want to use one name. So think that's about to change too. What else? Da 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 da. And guys, as me did I tell you before in the first video, like me not gonna really do no pranks for now and thing like that, cause me no uncle want the pranks alone. Me want the things like can reach out in other countries. You understand what I say? Me no just want to like Jamaican stuff alone, like with prank and this and that. I want to like other videos too. So if you have any video idea, you can just leave in a comment in the comment section and tell me which video you think we can do. Yeah, and want go to some nice content, because as me tell you before, I'm not absolutely not gonna give you guys any more street pranks, so don't expect that of me anymore, because I'm done with that. Yeah, me not go on the road go do any more street prank again. But for the time being, alright. Guys, to be honest with you, I have a lot of things going on right now, right about now, and me not gonna do any pranks. Probably make some nice videos like this. But just want just for like couple more weeks, I go just make some, but after that I still go do pranks now, but I go do pranks like when me the are with random friends and family. You understand what I say? But if we go on the road, go do no, that totally out of the picture. And one next thing again to guys, now watch the video cause we can see it the duration on how long gonna watch the video, you know. Now watch the stuff them. Now watch the video guys. Have to watch the video for help me. You understand what I say? If you don't have any video ideas, you can just leave a comment in the comment section. Me still cause me always I check my comment section, so I go see it. But what I say now guys, you need to watch the video for push me a little bit further. Please, thank you guys. Please. You need to watch the video. Yeah guys, and me just want make you know that, but me not think me I go change my Instagram and my TikTok name till about sometime soon. Me I go change it soon, but that's not for right now. But what I'm gonna do, you see, when you still go follow me said way and everything, but me I go change it soon. Me just want to have like one name I work with. Yes. But just glad me get this out of the guys. Me I go get I go see how the video prettier cause I go use the camera and start videoing. Yeah, no longer gonna use my phone. And next thing to again guys, I actually
checking your reflection and telling your best friend like, I think my butt getting big. It's